avoid the AMT liability by increasing the regular tax liability. Hi everyone, my name is Tan and I'm an independent certified financial planner practitioner at Tan Wealth Management. In today's educational video, I want to share with you how we could avoid AMT liability by increasing our regular tax liability.
For example, Luna Phan is single and she is a California resident. The federal standard deduction is $12,950. The California standard deduction for state income taxes is $5,202. This is our baseline for the following scenarios in this video. Scenario 1. Salary of $100,000. Federal AMT liability is $0. Total federal tax is $14,768. California AMT liability is $0. Total California tax is $5,430. Scenario 2. Salary of $100,000. Bargain element of $300,000. Federal AMT liability is $71,858. Total federal tax is $86,626. California AMT liability is $17,963. Total California tax is $23,393. What did we learn from scenario 1 and 2? The total federal tax includes the regular federal tax liability and the federal AMT liability. From scenario 2, the total federal tax of $86,626 minus the federal AMT liability of $71,858 equals $14,768. The total California tax includes the regular California tax liability and the California AMT liability. From scenario 2, the total California tax of $23,393 minus the California AMT liability of $17,963 equals $5,430. If we want to know what the regular tax liability is, we subtract the total tax from the AMT liability. Scenario 3. Salary of $500,000. Bargain element of $300,000. Federal AMT is $72,613. Total federal tax is $219,533. California AMT liability is $10,784. Total California tax is $56,000. Scenario 4. Salary of $1 million. Bargain element of $300,000. Federal AMT liability is $31,715. Total federal tax is $367,078. California AMT liability is $0. Total California tax is $104,891. Scenario 5. Salary of $1,500,000. Bargain element of $300,000. Federal AMT liability is $0. Total federal tax is $524,864. California AMT liability is $0. Total California tax is $171,339. As we can see, the higher our salary, the higher the bargain element we can have before we are subject to AMT liability. When we compare scenario 3 with scenario 5, both scenarios have a bargain element of $300,000, but scenario 5 is not subject to AMT liability because of the higher salary. Pro tip: don't increase our regular tax liability to avoid AMT liability because we are paying more in taxes by realizing more income. Thus, have a plan and run different scenario to find the lowest net cost when exercising the standard stock option.
Please note that this material is for educational use only and it is subject to change. Tax laws are complex, there are exceptions to the rules, and it is constantly changing. Be sure to talk to a qualified professional before making an informed decision. Thank you for watching. This is Tan, your trusted advisor.